Do you want to know the secret to youthful, glowing skin? Well, it's closer than you might think. It's not tucked away in an expensive product or available only in high-end spas. Instead, it lies in the heart of your kitchen, in the fruits and vegetables you consume every day. Yes, that's right. The secret to vibrant, youthful skin is found in a healthy diet. You see, certain fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients that not only nourish your body, but also slow down the aging process of your skin. These fruits are natural, readily available, and can be easily incorporated into your diet. With these power-packed fruits, you're not just feeding your skin, but you're also giving your overall health a boost. So, ready to turn back the clock with the help of nature's bounty? Stay tuned as we delve into a list of these anti-aging fruits and their benefits. Ever wondered how fruits can help you maintain that youthful glow? Well, fruits are nature's own anti-aging remedies packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients that help keep your skin glowing and youthful. Let's dive into some of these rejuvenating powerhouses. First off, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These tiny powerhouses are packed, and I mean packed, with antioxidants. These antioxidants work overtime to fight off free radicals, those pesky little molecules that can cause damage to your cells, including those in your skin. Including a handful of berries in your breakfast cereal or yogurt can be a great way to start your day, and your skin will thank you for it. Next up, we have citrus fruits. Think oranges, lemons, grapefruits. These tangy treats are rich in vitamin C, a vital ingredient in the production of collagen, the protein that helps maintain your skin's elasticity. Tossing a few slices of citrus fruits into your water or squeezing some fresh lemon juice on your salad can be a refreshing way to give your skin that much-needed vitamin C boost. And last, but certainly not least, the humble avocado. Now this might not be the first fruit you think of when you hear the word fruit, but avocados are indeed fruits, and they're loaded with healthy fats. These fats help to moisturize and nourish your skin from the inside out, giving you that youthful, dewy glow. Smashing some avocado on your toast or adding a few slices to your salad can be a delicious way to include this fruit in your diet. But remember, variety is the spice of life. So don't limit yourself to just these fruits. Explore other fruits out there, each with their unique combination of nutrients that contribute to healthy, youthful skin. Now that you know the anti-aging benefits of these fruits, it's time to incorporate them into your diet for that youthful glow. And remember, beauty truly does come from within. So feed your body right and let it reflect on the outside. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've discovered the miraculous world of anti-aging fruits and how they can help us maintain youthful, glowing skin. First, we delved into the antioxidant-rich berries. Berries, with their high concentration of vitamins A and C, are like nature's own skincare product, combating signs of aging and promoting skin health. Then we explored the rejuvenating power of citrus fruits. Rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, citrus fruits encourage collagen production, making our skin look firmer and more youthful. Finally, we dove into the world of avocados. Packed with healthy fats and vitamins E and K, avocados help in moisturizing and nourishing the skin from within. We've also emphasized the importance of a healthy diet for maintaining that youthful glow. The food we eat can be more effective than any store-bought skincare product. Remember, the secret to youthful skin lies in your diet, so start munching on these anti-aging fruits today for that natural glow.